Howdy and welcome back. We've got a video on the 2014 Cadillac ATS 4. The first thing we're going to do to it in this video is get it so this wheel isn't tucked all the way back now. At minimum, the rear control arm it's like a U now versus straight. So what I decided to do was, you don't see it on the ground, but I ordered front and rear control arms for both sides, as well as the sway bar links, just because I'm like, you're there, the car has 107,000 miles on top of having some impact here. Let's just do all those things in the front and then see where it takes us. Car needs a number of other things just to get it to a driving state, so we'll figure it out as we go. Anyway, let's take a look at the damage real quick. Let's take a gander at what we got here. So here's the front control arm. I think it's straight. It might be fine, but doesn't matter because I got a replacement. So we're going to do that. And if you look, that one right here is supposed to be straight. It's not. And the end link is original with 107,000 miles on it. So it could theoretically still be fine for a minute, but why? Why not just do it while we're here? Here are the parts I got. I don't remember which one is which. So, got a link kit Moog K75068-1. This is just for this side, as is this part. Here we go. Hold on. I need to change my settings on this thing. Here we go. Part number 229-81335. I believe this is another control arm. This Moog is N-Link, the sway bar. And we got one more part here. I mean, I could be wrong. I bought these from Rock Auto. CMS 501297. Let's go take a quick gander at what the good side is. Actually, since all the part numbers are different, let's go over that. CMS 501296. Then we have a 229-81334. Yeah. And last but not least, the Moog N-Link K7500680. These are all the parts I will be doing. There could be more, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So, as you see, front control arm. Seems like the other one's probably fine. There you can see the rear one. Yeah, no, hey, sway bar bushings look fine. Anyway, so yeah, this is where we're at. Let me get to working. We'll come back. Actually, we'll just give a quick overview, now that I'm thinking about it, of what will be needed. So, as you can see, bolt here, that'll have to be removed. Probably need a, was it tie rod puller or whatever? The thing that has a clamp that goes over and you push it out. This one, on the other hand, similar concept. Remove the bolt right there and then push it out. It's just, there's a little less space here, so it's not as simple, and I'm hoping I can remove it without having to remove the CV axle. Yeah, that thing. Not the most real estate though. We'll find that out as we go. On this side, bolt here. And you can reach the other side right here. I mean, if you have a full one of these, it might be in the way. But yeah, bolt, and there's a nut on the other side. So yeah, that's where we're at. Let's get to work. Here's the old, here's the new. Looks like this one was probably fine. I mean, I don't know what the rubber is like underneath, but it's, while you're here, I'm probably gonna have to take it to a shop to get the ball joint done because it's a little loosey, but I don't have a press or patience right now. But here's the rear control arm. Mangled, new hotness. Mangled, new hotness. Anyway, let's go put those in. And we're back. This will be a pretty short little video because the car still has so much else going on. So I replaced both control arms. That was a pain in the butt because it was all crooked, all that jazz. Once I hammered that thing out, because I removed the bolts, used tie rod, can't get a vision, there we go. Used a tie rod remover tool to get that control arm out. Did this one, it seemed fine. Also did this one, it seemed fine, but I bought another one, did it. So those are in there. I left the sway bar end link because in the end, I really don't know what the stress condition is. I've still got plenty of other work to do in here. And the big thing is if the strut is questionable, you know, there could be coilovers in the car's future. So between that and it being a pain in the butt to try and get to that, I was lazy and said, I just want to be able to move it without the wheel being all cockeyed. So yeah, there's all that jazz. I did the other side too, same concept. There's control arms. Also, I'm pretty sure both ball joints are toast on this. Because yeah, this control arm goes in there. And it seemed not like super loosey-goosey, but loose. So, yeah. So. Anyway, the ball joint might have to be replaced anyway. So this became more of a, let's get it movable, but also just replace what I can. Yeah, let's find out if the wheel goes back on and all that jazz. But it does look like this is a little more centered now. So anyway, let's pull the car out and just kind of make sure it all seems okay on the surface. She is back on the ground. You can see kind of where the wheel sits. Now let's compare it to the other side with the stuff. They'll both out. It'll be fine. But yeah, looks like we got the wheel back where it should be. I mean, I'm gonna guess maybe an alignment's needed. Maybe just a little. But with that said, quick little video. Slowly start doing little things for this car, get it drivable, and go from there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Blah, blah.